guys, we're back here in Tobago at Cafe Down Low, and I'm going to have the resident bartender Darian make a cocktail for me. So I like whiskey a lot. Is there a cocktail that incorporates whiskey that's really good?
Yeah, of course. We have Godfather, so that's half whiskey, Amaretto, and Cocoa Bitters. I think that is a perfect complex, and for that we will need old-fashioned glass, Amaretto, whiskey, and Cocoa Bitters on top. First, we add the ices, 1 ounce of Amaretto, 1.5 whiskey, and Cocoa Bitters on top. So as a garnish, we can use a piece of lime, but it's not, So would you like with straw or without straw?
No, without straw is fine.
Without straw is fine? All right. Enjoying it?
Thank you.
You're welcome. That's a perfect complex. So I think that almond liqueur, that is Amaretto, and Cocoa Bitters is a perfect complex.
Oh, this is nice. So the almond liqueur plus the cocoa bitters combined with the whiskey, wonderful. It's really nice. It's kind of manly drink,
Yeah, that's true.